See, we are saying that, I mean, C means, just a minute, I will see. If you see consequence, likelihood, probability. Consequence, likelihood, probability.
Okay.
Yeah. What is consequence here? Consequence of inaction.
We are losing entire production of this train.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So
So production
consequence
loss, we have the commercial impact, right?
Yes, correct. That is
Okay,
severity.
go back to that matrix. Yeah.
This is severity.
Okay.
So production loss will be, I think, 3 or 4.
Mr. Chairman, this I think is already defined in Hazop, right? We keep the same with the what defined in Hazop for this high.
High pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, this already the severity level is already mentioned as up.
Okay, so we can go here. Hajok.
Yeah, we need to keep all documenting in line.
Probability is B. Probability is B. Yes. So we can take B. Yeah, thus we agreed. And severity will be in terms of loss of production. What will be the loss of production? I think 3 or 4.
It is already there in the Azab. It is already there in the Azab. Financial risk. Please refer.
The risk category, not check likelihood.
No, yeah, I mean, see here, we have to see the likelihood of this event, likelihood of this alarm. Likelihood of this alarm.
No, but this is the risk rank. The column in the Hazard, it is the risk rank based on the severity of the consequence.
Severity, yes. So that is saying that
I think we need to follow this.
The likelihood will be based on the root cause, the demand scenario.
Let's not follow the Hazard. We'll follow our matrix.
I think, guys, let us follow the Hajob, and if there is some mismatch, then we can decide accordingly, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So here the likelihood, if you see, as per Hajob is 5, is for people, but now it has prevented the scenario. It has prevented the scenario. Here the scenario is loss of production. So we have to understand if the operator does not take action in 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes, so what will be the consequence severity? I would say
30 minutes, not 30 minutes is to troubleshoot, not to protect the hips. Hips is tripped. Correct, it is already tripped. We lost the production now.
Yeah. So now what is the cost? I mean, you can resume within 4